When precision matters, accuracy is everything. Introducing the Universal Concentricity Gaging System from Universal Punch, the modern way to increase gauging efficiency. This patented system delivers less than 2 microns accuracy, providing reliable, repeatable concentricity measurements across a wide range of industrial applications. What is a concentricity gauge? It measures how accurately a cylindrical part rotates around its true centerline, ensuring shafts, punches, dies, and other round components meet strict quality standards before production. The Universal system features 4 key advantages. First, an adjustable multi-position top arm yoke assembly allows proper clamping for various part diameters. Second, fine adjustment indicator carriers provide precise probe positioning and smooth, accurate zeroing. Third, a manual drive timing belt pulley system ensures smooth, constant rotation with optional fixed or variable speed motorized drives available. Fourth, the carrier moves along the Z-axis and tilts 90 degrees for fast, easy loading and unloading. Using the gauge is simple. Place the part on the rollers. Secure it with the top arm. Position and zero the indicator. Rotate the part and read the total indicator runout to evaluate concentricity. With models accommodating part diameters from 1/2 inch to 4 inches and lengths up to 24 inches, there's a solution built for your application. Backed by over 45 years of expertise, Universal Punch manufactures gauging systems that meet ANSI and ISO standards, with equipment traceable to ANSI certification. Precision, flexibility, efficiency. The Universal Concentricity Gaging System, built to keep your quality centered. Visit universalpunch.com to learn more.